Welcome back. It's 5:14 on it's still a chilly Monday morning. I know we've been talking about a warm up, but not quite here just yet, but it's not far away. So as you walk out the door, you're greeted with 30s and 40s, and there is a breeze, so it feels even colder. But there you have it, 34 in Picayune, 37 in Slidell. Notice it gets colder as you head up towards like Hattiesburg. That's the cold air that's departing us. So wave goodbye to it. We're done with the freezes for at least a while, it looks like. Now today we're going to get into the 60s. Southeast winds are back whenever we have a southerly wind. What does that do? Well, it pulls in that Gulf moisture, so the humidity is going to start to ramp up, and we've got a lot of clouds today as well. Chance of rain today, not very high, but I did throw in a 20% chance later this afternoon and into tonight. And here's your warm-ups. Near 70 tomorrow, 75 on Wednesday, low 70s Thursday, and then we'll stay near the upper 60s Friday and Saturday. When's our next round of cold air get here? It'll be on Sunday, so we're going to end this upcoming weekend a bit chillier with us back in the 50s. So we get a solid 6 days of a warm-up. Now this week is very active. We've got a series of storm systems coming through the region. Now today the big rain and ice problems are going to be well to our north and west. So a lot of this is going to stay out here for today and even tomorrow. You can see with Precision Cast your widespread showers and storms missing us. Now we will probably see a few showers later this evening, but it doesn't look like the big widespread rain just yet. Same story tomorrow. Let's fast forward. Here we go into Tuesday afternoon. Big rain to our north, Dallas to Houston to Shreveport. Still not to us just yet. Let's fast forward into Wednesday. Here we go. Storm system gets closer, and yes, heavy rain starts to move in later Wednesday. Now, right now, the timing of the Wednesday rain is probably going to be more so later into Wednesday evening and parts of Wednesday night, and then several more rounds of rain sticking across the region on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So we're talking multiple days of rain. Now there's going to be plenty of breaks mixed in here, but at times it could be on the heavy side, which means rain's going to start to add up. So right now we're forecasting probably widespread to 3 to 6 inches across southeast Louisiana, 4 to 8 inches across west Louisiana and east Texas. Now this is widespread. There are likely going to be some totals in a few spots that are higher than the 3 to 6 inches. That's why we're going to be watching that flood threat across the region. We'll say there's also a risk for a few stronger storms Wednesday night, so we'll be here tracking that for you as well. Something else to note, we just had a lot of cold air, which means our water temperatures are now in the 40s. Whenever you start to warm up and add humidity, that is a recipe for sea and lake fog. We are getting into lake and sea fog season. That usually happens in January, February, and March. So wouldn't be surprised if we do start to see some fog develop, especially tomorrow and maybe through the end of the week here. Of course, if there's rain, fog isn't really an issue, but when it's not raining, you might see some visibility problems. So something we'll be watching for you, but there you have it. Rain lingering through at least Saturday before we dry out and cool back down on Sunday. I'll leave you with a look at your marine forecast. Going to be choppy the rest of the week. Winds will be out of the southeast, 15 to 20 knots. Your high tides, they've already happened. Your low tides are going to happen later this morning. 5:17.